purpose of your profile is to get clients.
Words like that you see on job posting, find what's applicable to you, put it on your profile. When I got my profile tight and on point, if you're a video editor like me, put videos that you have edited on the profile that you created for video editing. Is this a scam? Getting the verified mark, the blue circle on Upwork, it's a mystery. Hey Momshies, it's Mommy Ruth here, and I'm going to share with you how to create your Upwork profile that will get you hired. So stay tuned. Let's get right into it, mga Momshies. The first tip that I have is to make sure that you describe your profile specific to the task that you can do. Bakit is specific? When a client sees your profile, they already know na that's what you do. There is an option in Upwork wherein you can create different profiles. So if you are like me, you have lots of skills that you can offer, just focus on one profile. Like for example, video editing. Everything that you do there or you put there is all about video editing. The next profile, you can create another profile all about YouTube SEO. By the way, I do have a YouTube SEO class in case you want to learn how to do that for your clients. I earn about average $500 per month doing that, depending on the types of videos. I charge about $15 per video that I optimize online, but the usual rate is about $25 per video. If you are in States and in Europe, Asian rates, I don't know how they explain it. There was this other YouTube vlogger saying that she pays $25 per video for it to be optimized, but she's in America, and then when she go on Asian countries, some people are willing to do it for much less. So that's why I ballpark my price at around $15 per video. If you want to learn how to do that, I do have a course, and it's gonna be available for free via Skillshare. So if you're going to start off as a new Skillshare learner, it's like Netflix for online courses, and then for the first 7 days it's gonna be free, and I'm sure that my course will not take you 7 days to finish. Basically, you'll get it for free. Sign up now on the description box below. Make sure that your profiles are specific to the skills, because when people or clients are looking for freelancers, they look for skills. You put the skills on top, create a different profile per skill that you are offering. So if you are copywriter, another profile for copywriter. So it has to be specific. There's a general profile that could be like an introduction of all the things that you can do. So just list there all the things that you are able to do. But create another profile with specific skills so that you get the best or the most out of your profile. The next tip that I could share with you is put a sample of your work on your profile. If you're a video editor like me, put videos that you have edited on the profile that you created for video editing. If you are a graphic artist, put sample of graphic art that you have created for you and for your clients. Just ask for permission to do that. Always put a sample of work specifically on your profile, because people who are browsing for freelancers, they will not even talk to you. At least there's something for them to look at and to see if that's the kind of work that they want done for themselves as well. The next tip is list of previous work or employment. If you could list the different types of projects that you have created, that would be great, because it would be awesome for somebody searching for a track record of what you can do. And if you haven't done any job yet, anything that you have done personally, like for me, when I started freelancing for clients, I haven't done any client work, so I showed my own videos as a sample of how I edit. My own channel is linked there. My own videos are uploaded on the page so that they will have a feel of my type of creativity or how I do my work. If you have good relationships with previous clients, put them on the list. and the type of work that you have done there. It is already automatic in UPWORK, but if you're just beginning, you could just list them down on the description and just describe what you did for that client and how the project goes, because it kind of represents or gives you this vibe that you have a track record, you are reliable, and they can work with you because there are testimonies of other clients who have worked with you. If you could also get good testimonies from your previous clients, that will be the best, because they're using their own UPWORK profile to do that. And just always ask for it every time you end a contract. The next tip I have for a good UPWORK profile is make sure that your descriptions are searchable. Okay, so I'm an SEO expert. This is what I do. You have to check the different words that they use when they're posting the job list. There are words, or notice the words that they're looking. Quick turnaround time, creative, efficient, words like that that you see on job posting. Find what's applicable to you, put it on your profile, because what will happen is your profile will get suggested because of the SEO or search engine optimization whenever they are the ones searching for freelancers, video editor, mga video creator, things like different words to say what you do. Use SEO to your advantage. You will get this when you learn from my course. You will get what it means to do SEO. That's basically it. Make your descriptions, make your profile searchable by using words that are related to the type of work that you are doing. Fifth tip on the list is always put on your photo. Take a good profile photo, make it professional. If possible, do a video introduction, because this really creates a good first impression of you. So have a good profile photo and a video introduction if possible, because I've noticed there is a significant change in my invitations to work with when I got my profile tight and on point. So these are the things that will make your profile on point. You will get invitations because of this, because the client will think that they already know you, they know your vibe through the introduction that you created and your profile pic, because you will not hire somebody who has no profile pic on their pictures, you know. You will be like, is this a scam? It's just one of the things that you can do to communicate that you are a legit freelancer. Last but not the least, I know this is just 5 tips, but I have a bonus tip for you guys. The bonus tip, because it's not available for everybody, getting the verified mark, the blue circle on UPWORK. It's a mystery. I don't know why. They just say on their help page that you will get an invitation to get verified once you qualify for it. So I guess you just have to wait. I have been searching how to qualify for a verification because I got a lot of questions about this on my previous video, but guys, I can't find it. It just says on the UPWORK page that once you are qualified, we will contact you. Once you are qualified, we will notify you. I guess you just have to wait, get more clients, just be legit in the platform so that they could add that verified list on you. And once you have it, guys, it's really important. It's just like being verified on Instagram, on your social media. It's like you're a superstar. Hopefully you get it soon, because it really adds up to having a nice profile. It's all done nicely. You have verified check mark on your name, you have a picture, you have an introduction, you look legit, and your profile, most importantly, has to be searchable. The purpose of your profile is to get clients.
Purpose of your profile is to get clients.
So use words that are specific to the job postings you are searching for. Just copy paste those words. Like for example, for social media manager, usually the job post will say we are looking for a social media manager that is organized, efficient, reliable. So those words, also put it on your description box. You say your profile is social media manager. You would say I am an organized, reliable, professional social media manager. Been doing this for how many years, and these are my previous clients. These are the skills that I know. I have Canva, Sprout, ClickUp, whatever apps that is related to your skill. Put it all there, and also just put on the skills, because it's just like this step-by-step process. Don't skip any of them. If you went to the skill part, there's like a tag. it's important that you do that. It's part of SEO. So tag your skills so that they can search you via skills. I guess that's it. I wish you good luck on your freelancing career, and I hope that you like this video. If you like it, click that notification bell, because I do have a lot of other money related ideas on this channel, as well as my vlogs and my motherhood journey. A lot of things are coming up about UPWORK tips as well, so make sure that you click that button. For the meantime, while you're waiting for the next videos, I do have other UPWORK tips video right here. Check them out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.